Hello and welcome. I'm so sorry for how scruffy I look today, but we're still cute. Today is my hair wash day, so I'm going to head out and get some ingredients to basically do a really nice conditioning treatment for my hair. In case you don't know, I am natural. My hair texture varies. I've got completely different hair textures around my head, but obviously having kinky slash coily hair, my main priority is to restore moisture into my strands, protect my strands, which should basically help with assisting with growth and health of my hair. So I've been looking at the Cardi B hair mask that everyone's been talking about, and I want to try it. Like, when I use my deep conditioners, I always buy. So I tend to use the Shea Moisture Restoring Mask, which I really love. However, the tub is around, can't even remember, I think £15 or something. And of course, I can get a lot more product if I do try a home mask myself. So I want to try it out basically and see how my hair reacts to that. So if you've not been here before, I am the Skin Connoisseur UK. Also go by Miss T Lindo. Follow me on all my socials. I'm trying to grow my platform, and my channel is mainly dedicated to everything to do with dermatology and aesthetics, as that's what I'm interested in and what I'm trained in. So this is a bit different. So the main products that I'm going for today's video are bananas, some natural oils like coconut oil, olive oil. I'm going to mix some mayonnaise into there, some eggs, some avocado, and just see how my hair reacts to it. So this is supposed to be really moisturising. It's supposed to be amazing for detangling the natural hair and to promote moisture and stuff as well. And as we know, black hair gets notoriously very dry, and this dryness can cause the coils to tangle up with each other, which of course when you then comb your hair causes tangling and breakage, split ends, all that stuff. Also, it can cause traction alopecia as well if you're brushing too hard on the hair. So this is something new that I'm going to try. I want to try it for a few days and see how my hair reacts to it. So at the moment, I've got quite a bit of gel in my hair. I've also got leave-in conditioner in my hair and some oil that I put on my scalp from yesterday. So my hair is pretty dirty. So being that I washed my hair around 4 days ago, I'm just going to do one shampoo and then I'm going to deep condition my hair for a good hour or so, just so my hair can reap the actual benefits of the products that are being used. So even though the products that I'm using sounds more like some sort of salad than a hair conditioner, it's important to note that many ingredients in this product do support the growth and the collagen strength within the hair and the hair follicle. So for example, avocado is high in natural fats and proteins as well, which basically stimulate growth. Rosemary oil, which I'll be using, stimulates hair growth. Castor oil acts as an antibacterial for the hair, which protects the strand. Mayonnaise, again, protein, egg, amino acids and proteins, and more. So I obviously need ingredients, so I'm going to take you guys with me. I'll try to take you guys with me, and I'm going to show you how I make this mask for my hair. So do enjoy, do subscribe to my channel as well. Before I get into it, if you're new to my channel, hello. Returning subscribers, hello. And let's get straight into this video before the shops close. Okay, so I'm back indoors. Lidl was closed, so I got the bus to my local Sainsbury's and I got some avocados from there to have behind me. So I'm going to cut some of these up and show you how I make my hair mask. Yeah, I don't have all the ingredients, but it should do considering that I have most of them anyway. I'm only going to do a small jar because I've not made this before, and then I'll see how it works for me. That looks so messy. And then dependent from there, if I like it, if it agrees with me or not, then I can always come back down and make a little bit more. So I will show you guys how I do my version of the mask with what I have. And to start, I am going to use this. This is my empty Olaplex Zero bottle. This works really well as a bottle. I can just use it to apply oil onto my scalp. But in here we have amla oil, rosemary oil and coconut oil, and I'm going to add this to our mix. So here are my ingredients. So banana, avocado, 1 egg, mayonnaise, some Greek yogurt and some honey. Greek yogurt is also amazing for protein. So even if you're on a diet or something, Greek yogurt is perfect for that. So this is all I really have in my house. So I'm going to freestyle the whole thing and show you guys my result. So we're starting off with an empty bowl, and I'm going to unpeel this banana and basically just add it to the bowl. So I've only used one, as like I said, I want to create a small amount of the conditioner and just see how it goes. So I've got my banana in there, I'm adding my egg, just 1 egg, got a bit of mayonnaise. This isn't the best because it's light mayonnaise, but it will suffice for this hair treatment. So just screwing that back up, and now I'm going to add some protein. So this is my Greek yogurt, also low fat. Ideally go for full fat for the conditioner. So this is my mixture of oils that I've created myself. So again, that's rosemary oil, coconut oil, bit of olive oil, and also some amla oil. So with the honey, as you can see, I've not added a lot, and that's because I don't want the mask to be too sticky. I'm using 1 avocado and basically getting avocado out from the skin, and I'm just applying that to the mix. And this is my final step, really. Just scooping all of that out, making sure I get all of that out. Perfect. Okay, and this is how we look. This is our mishmash of ingredients. Very, very, very green. I have this. Sorry for that noise, that's my boiler. I was hoping it will fit into here, but I don't think it will. I'm going to try, and then worst comes to worst, I'll just put it into a bigger blender. But this is all of the ingredients so far. Now this is random, but I'm actually so in love with the colour. Like, just look how healthy it looks just looking at it. So I'm just shaking it up a bit just to make sure that the liquid's at the bottom, because when you're blending, if your liquid is not at the bottom, it is not going to blend properly. And as you can see, this is blending really, really well. Like, it's so perfect. I love the consistency of it. Just looking at it, it really does look like a really healthy hair mask. So I'm happy with the consistency, with the amount of product that I put in. I should also add that I've kind of freestyled the amount of products that I've used, and yeah, this is what worked for me basically. This is the mask, and it was really moisturising and hydrating, had the curls popping. I'll keep you guys updated.